In today's day and age, we have learned a great deal about our galaxy and how we came to live in it. In today's video, I will be discussing the process of life starting on Earth. To understand how life started, first we have to understand how Earth came to be. Once the universe was started with the Big Bang, clouds of gases were dispersed throughout space as we know it. These clouds of gases were the start of galaxies and solar systems. These gases became to congregate due to gravity, which began a chain reaction. This caused a giant collapse of gas inward, which led to the creation of stars. If the collapse is big enough, it can turn into a black hole, like the one in the center of our galaxy. With the black hole in the center, more gas still orbits the black hole. This gas groups together to form stars, and in turn, planets. Some planets have more of a gas DNA, and some are more rocky, such as the Earth. This is exactly what happened when Earth formed 4.5 billion years ago. Now that we understand how the ground beneath us came to be, we can then understand how life started. Here's a question for you. What's the one thing all life on Earth requires? The answer is water. How did water get on Earth? The leading theory is that water was trapped in the rocks as Earth formed and from ice-rich asteroids that fell down to Earth. Now that our home for life has the base of water, we can add the other ingredients. Organic compounds are the next ingredient in our recipe. Through experimentation, we now know that organic compounds can be formed through natural processes. In 1953, Stanley Miller and Harold Urey created organic molecules under simulated early Earth conditions. This was achieved by the iconic Miller-Urey experiment. In the experiment, they enclosed a mixture of water, methane, ammonia, and hydrogen in a sterile glass apparatus to simulate Earth's early atmosphere and oceans. They subjected the gases to continuous electrical sparks to simulate lightning. Within a week, the water turned into a reddish color and had formed into amino acids, which are the fundamental building blocks of proteins. This means that the conditions on the early Earth were able to form the building blocks for life as we know it today. These molecules then took on a form of natural selection. Once the imperfect self-replication began, evolution took over. Molecules that were slightly more stable or replicated faster produced more copies, ultimately dominating the environment and paving the way for the first cellular life. Cells formed through natural processes around 4 billion years ago. With the help of lipids, which are naturally water-repellent molecules, spontaneously self-assembled in water into hollow, bubble-like structures called liposomes. These rudimentary spherical membranes trapped self-replicating molecules like RNA, isolating them from chaotic outside environments to create the first functioning chemical units. Through natural selection and the help of time, these cells were able to become more and more complex, eventually leading to life as we know it today. All the luck and time it took for us to be here today in 2026 is astonishing. I think we should appreciate life more than we do. I know life isn't perfect and certain things make life tough, but if you only get one life and there's no afterlife, then you should make the most of it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy, don't forget to like and subscribe to help out my channel. Thanks. Have a great day.